Hi, I'm Elsa. I'm from Lebanon, and my favorite Lebanese dish is tabbouleh. Okay, so we first start by picking the leaves for the parsley. So next we want to dice the tomatoes. Try to make them as small as possible. We have to rinse it with water and salt. Now we will chop the parsley so that we can add it on top. So then we're gonna add some onions. So now you wanna add some pepper and salt to the onions. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some bulgur on top. Not too much, just. Okay, so for seasoning, we're gonna add some lemon and olive oil. I'm gonna add some salt because you wanna try to make it as salty and as citrusy as possible. That's like the secret for it. So that's how you make tabbouleh. I like to make it every once in a while because it's like bringing a taste of home to Norwich. So you can try it out and let me know how it goes.